Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about keyword research. Yes, last few months ago, I have started a course that is SEO, but I'm extremely sorry for that because I was too much busy with some projects. That's why I can't publish any video for you guys. So please, so sorry for this. Now I am ready to publish awesome video for you, so you will get all SEO tutorial video every week, and definitely you will get best SEO tutorial video, and after watching all video you will be an SEO expert. Okay, so let's get started. Today we want to talk about keyword research. This is very important topic for the keyword SEO, and today we will learn about something for the keywords, and this is keyword research part 1. So first of all, we want to know what is a keywords. Suppose you think normally anything you search on the web or search any search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any other search engine, any word that is called keywords. This is very simple things. I think you have already searched a lot of things on Google, so you have already searched lots of keywords. Okay, just keep in your mind, when you search with any word, that is called keyword. So today we want to discuss about keyword brainstorming. Okay, this is the part 1, and this is very important for keyword research, because if you want to start a blog, if you want to start a e-commerce website, or if you want to start a business website, definitely you should research some keywords. If your keyword research is wrong, your project will be fall definitely. So this is very important. I will publish lots of video step by step, like keyword research part 1, part 2, part 3. If need much more, I will do for you guys. If you are new viewers in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video if you want to get this kinds of video. Okay, so first of all, we want to think about brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Like, you just think, imagine something, any topic. So today we want to think about keyword from our brain. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about a topic like mobile. Suppose you want to buy a mobile. So the keyword is mobile. First of all, your brain just think mobile. Okay. First of all, your brain just think a keyword that is mobile. But the next time, just think your brain mobile price. Okay, so when someone search on Google, they can search with the keywords mobile, but that time it's not the complete keywords. They are thinking about more mobile price, but this is not complete, I think. So the brain think another more, that is OS mobile price brand or something like that. Obviously, any kinds of, there are a lot of mobile in our market. So someone thinking about iPhone, someone thinking about Google Pixel, and someone thinking about Samsung. So they can easily search mobile, they can easily search mobile price. So if they want to complete the keywords, they can search Samsung mobile price. So if you think the main keyword is here, the topic is mobile, but when you think about more like the long tail keyword, that time it would be Samsung mobile price or iPhone mobile price or Google Pixel mobile price. Okay, so this is the thing. When you think about any keywords like cleaning service, dog grooming, or any other topic, that's time you just think at first your main keywords like the mobile, then you just think about like mobile price, mobile brand, mobile review, best mobile, and finally some question like which mobile I will buy. Okay, so now you can generate some keywords from here like mobile Samsung mobile price in USA. This is long keywords. This is long tail keywords. Like I want to search mobile price. This is short tail keyword or mobile. This is short keywords. Okay, but when you search mobile Samsung mobile price in USA or UK, that's time it's called long tail keywords. Long tail, I will discuss more about when we will go practical in our browser. The next part, definitely you can know what is long tail keyword and what is short tail keyword. So here you should generate some more keywords like Google Pixel 7 mobile price. So this is long tail keywords. Okay, so best mobile phone in USA. You can search also Samsung mobile review. Okay, also someone can search Google Pixel mobile review. Okay, so there are a lot of topic like when someone want to buy any mobile, they can search mobile review or best mobile. The intention of the keywords is buying. Okay, but when someone search which mobile I will buy within $1,000, they want to research which mobile will be best for me. They are searching some information. Okay, so I think you got the point, and this is very basic for the keyword brainstorming. I think you can generate some keywords. Please, if you want, you can practice from your home, and you can comment any keywords that you have select, and you just select some keywords for the long tail and short tail. Okay, so I think this tutorial is very helpful for you guys. If you think this video is very helpful, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video. I will publish the second part for the keyword research, and it's keep going. I think you will definitely do best keyword search for your blog, for your website, or for your e-commerce website. And this is SEO full course for the first time for our audience, and definitely you should watch all the video from the playlist, and definitely after complete this all the videos, you will be a professional SEO expert. So I will publish the next video as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching.